Well, hello there, friend, and welcome to your July-August Discovery Bundle unboxing. This month's theme is Perfectly Polished, and it's designed to help you look and feel your best. If we haven't met before, I'm Jessica Principe, founder and creator of All Girls Shave Club, and I'm so happy that you're here to spend the next few minutes with me. This bundle includes a variety of items that all have multiple uses, so I'm going to show you each one and give you some tips and resources on how to make the most of each one. So let's get started. Before we dive into the products, I want to start with the Say It, Live It, Be It collectible affirmation card. If you're new to us, every bundle comes with this keepsake card that includes an affirmation on one side and then a self-care checklist on the other. This month's affirmation is, I glide through my day with ease. I don't know about you, but I really need this reminder during the summer months. It always feels so much busier with my kids being home and trying to cram in all the fun summer activities that we can in such a short period of time while still juggling other responsibilities and commitments. I'm sure you can feel me on that. It can be a lot. So this refreshing affirmation is just a great way to change those thought patterns and to invite ease into each day. You'll want to keep this card in a place where you can see it and speak it out loud every day throughout the next few months. On the right-hand side of the insert card is your self-care challenge checklist. These are some non-complicated ways to incorporate self-care into your routine this month. Because here's what I know. Self-care doesn't have to be all or nothing. In fact, I think self-care is best composed of small, consistent actions every single day. They don't have to be a full body massage or a weekend retreat to make an impact. So check out this list and commit to giving them a try this month. Okay, so the first product in your bundle is going to do a number of things for you, including melting away any impurities on your skin, removing stubborn waterproof mascara, and revitalizing dry hair. Yep, all that and much more. It's pretty incredible how much use you'll get out of this gal. This is Blossom Balm by Wonder Gloss. It starts off in this absolutely gorgeous packaging, but it just keeps getting better as you experience it. It has the most vibrant scent that we can't get enough of. The texture is like a creamy oil-based balm that emulsifies into a milk. You can use this product as a facial cleanser to remove makeup, and honestly, it's amazing how quickly it wipes away waterproof mascara or that really thick sunscreen that just never ever comes off no matter how much scrubbing you do. Yeah, so this is the perfect match for that. Because it's oil-based, it leaves your skin feeling really soft and supple, but never greasy. Truly, it's amazing. And as an added bonus, it nourishes and conditions your lashes and your brows while you're cleansing your face, so they'll be nourished and protected as well. Along those same lines, the other awesome thing you can do with this is because it's made with neroli and almond oil, you can actually apply it to the ends of your hair before you shampoo, and it'll act as a hair mask for your ends. Just let it set for 5 minutes while you shave and then shampoo and condition as usual. So brilliant, right? Wonder Gloss, the company, is female owned and they're all about creating powerful, multi-use products for women. I know you're gonna love this one as much as I do. We're actually gonna take this Blossom Balm one step further and pair it with our next item as well, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But first, this next item is something I'm really excited about because I saw it in action on a beauty influencer I follow on Instagram firsthand. So she was using it on her face in a live video, and as she was using it, I could visibly see it reducing the puffiness on her face right there in front of me. I seriously couldn't believe it. I ordered one to try for myself, and I was blown away at how it worked. So I knew I had to include one for you too. So you'll find it in this cute little purple bag. This is a Gouache Stone. It's made of rose quartz, which is a really pretty natural stone. Like the Blossom Balm, this Gouache Stone also has many uses. So you can use it on your face, your neck, and shoulders to alleviate pain, improve circulation, increase energy, reduce fine lines, and reduce puffiness like what I saw on Instagram that day. To use it on your face, you're gonna wanna start by cleansing your stone and your face. You can just wash the stone with like gentle soap. Then you're going to apply an oil-based product to your skin to help the stone really glide across it. And this is where the Blossom Balm comes in. It's really perfect to use with your Gouache Stone. You'll see that your stone has several different edges, and these are intended to be used in different ways across different parts of your face and your body. So this longer edge is the perfect for starting near the base of your nose and then kind of applying gentle pressure downward and across as you glide across your cheeks. This little corner here is made for the jawline. So it fits perfectly like right on the jawline, and you just kind of glide it across your jaw up to the base of your ear. And lastly, this curved side is really great for under your eyes. To reduce puffiness there, you can just apply it here and pull downward. I'm going to share a link below to a more detailed tutorial on how you can use your Gouache Stone on not just your face, but also on your neck and your shoulders too. And the tutorial down below includes acupressure points for added massage to help alleviate headaches, tension, sinus pressure if you have a cold or allergies, and so many other cool things, so definitely check it out. She's fantastic. Be prepared to reap some really amazing benefits from regular use of this powerful little stone. Next, to polish other areas of your skin like elbows, feet, and knees, you're gonna love this pumice stone from Happy Harvest Soap Company. It smells divine. It's kind of like a blend of tart cherries, pineapple, oranges, and vanilla. Seriously, all the heart eyes for this one, and it's made to help you just slough away rough skin, leaving it feeling really soft and supple. And fun fact about this product is it's actually small batch made by a mother and daughter team at Happy Harvest Soap Company. I just thought that was so cool and that it totally deserved a mention. Speaking of small batch made, so is the last item in your bundle. Every Discovery bundle always includes a jar of whipped shea butter to keep your shaving areas silky smooth, hydrated, and nick-free. If you're on the Surprise Me option with your subscription, then you've received Unicorn Kisses, which is totally magical. Not only does it smell like an enchanted garden of passion fruit, citrus, and papaya, it's also made to lock in moisture while you shave and provide a protective barrier to keep you free from nicks and cuts. I hope that you loved this month's Perfectly Polished bundle. Just a reminder that my team's also going to be sending you some really cool things by email over the next few weeks. So these emails support your Discovery bundle, so make sure that you keep an eye on your inbox for those subscriber perks. If you have a favorite product from this month's bundle, I'd love to hear about it. Snap a photo and tag me at All Girls Shave Club on Facebook or Instagram, and use the hashtag AGSCShare so I can see it, and I'll reshare it and feature you on our Instagram and Facebook pages as well. When you share, you'll also be entered to win free products. We pick a winner every month from those who share and tag us, so definitely make sure you join in the fun. As always, I want to thank you for being a member of All Girls Shave Club. And if you're watching this video and you're thinking about becoming a member, you're not quite a member yet, we would love to have you. Post any questions you have below and I'll be sure to personally respond to them. Okay, so next cycle's theme is soaking in gratitude, and we've got some really special goodies coming your way, including the most popular product that we've ever featured. It's seriously loved by all, and we are thrilled to be bringing it back to you again in your September-October bundle. So you're gonna get a sneak peek email a few days before your next renewal of what that item is, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if there's anything that we can do for you, please feel free to reach out to our friendly customer service team at hello@allgirlshaveclub.com. See you next time.